And loving this grill. Got a black label on there. I'm going to go over the grill situation real quick. Let's see, you got the Weber Q. It's all clean. I know it still looks dirty, but it's all clean. It's all clean. I'm going to cook some T-bones on that tonight. Okay. So all this area, I gotta clean. This thing's done. I'm gonna pull these baskets out of there. I'm gonna throw it away. And then this whole area here, I'm going to pressure wash. This thing has a leak in it. So I'm going to clean it. What I'm going to try to do, I'm not fixing it. I'm going to gut the inside of it. And then I'm going to try to put that Weber Q in there. But, because I still want my little area underneath there, and I have a cover for it. So, yeah. It should look completely different. I'll get a picture before I do pressure wash. Okay. This is the Q100. Look, I've cleaned it, and I know it's dirty still, and people are going to think I'm crazy, but I'm only doing this, excuse me, just in case there's a fire. I want to preheat the oven. This tube, you can tell, is now, well, always was, stainless steel. I'm going to put this cast iron grate above this pan, because obviously it's going to catch a bunch of shit. And then, yeah, I know this is dirty, and you're going to continue to tell me that it's dirty, but guess what? I've cleaned it so many times. So, and it's been sitting outside for 2 years, and I've used it minimally, maybe once or twice within 2 years. So, and this has actually been cleaned a bunch with Citrus Safe, and this is about gone. So yeah, bear with me. And you know, the whole reason why I got this grill in the first place was because I didn't have a whole lot of money. I didn't have anything, and I bought it for $7. So that's not the point. I could go and buy a brand new Weber Q right now. That's not the point. You know, the point is to keep it going. And I'll even show you another picture where I bought the stand, and the stand only fits the newer Weber Q 1000, 2000, blah, blah, blah. So, yep. Your wife will kill you. My wife will kill me. Thing smoked for 35 minutes after I cleaned the hell out of it. My timing was a little off, so the grill marks are a little off. Steve Ranklin. Best of both worlds here. McDonald's fries and a big boy from Frisch's. Not Bob's Big Boy. This Frisch's Big Boy. So I know this is more of a vlog style or whatever, but so when this when I throw out the other grill, I'm going to get another Weber, and then I'm going to get a cover for it. But then in that outdoor area, I'll put some of this gravel down. It says I need 6 bags. That seems a little crazy. I'm going to try to buy 4 bags and see if that works. Then I'm going to get some of these landscaping timbers and put out there. It's just a little spoiler alert. What is up, guys? That is the fastest $50 I've ever spent. Let's see. I can't get the Blackstone spatula set. I needed something for the grill. And I got these cheapo cutting boards. They have the real cheap ones. And then I got a little knife set. They didn't have the Farberware one that I wanted, but that's what I have. And I've had a broken paring knife for a very long time. I'm gonna make this a 2-part series. I appreciate you guys that watch. And we'll see if we have anything else on this one. Cooks so fast, but this thing is, these pork chops are humongous.